Introducing the new Advanced Guard from Instant Upright, the world's leading innovative provider of alloy access tower systems since 1947. Instant Advanced Guard is a new integral advanced guardrail system that provides total fall prevention for the operator throughout assembly and dismantling of the tower. In one versatile unit, the lightweight Advanced Guard improves the operator's overall safety when working at height. From the ground level up, the operators ensured a safe and secure environment to carry out their work at height. The Advanced Guard system was designed with both user and supplier in mind. Now, with fewer components, your tower can be assembled more quickly. In fact, it is some 10 to 30% fewer parts, depending on the height of the tower. The Advanced Guard simplifies tower assembly by eliminating the number of components required, thereby requiring fewer assembly steps to build a work-at-height compliant tower. Let's show you a quick demonstration. This Advanced Guard has been designed for compatibility with InstantSpan 300 tower systems. Insert 4 casters and adjustable legs into a 3-rung standard frame and XXX frame. Clip horizontal brace onto the vertical member just above the first rung with claw facing outwards. Attach 2 diagonal braces in opposing directions from the first to the 3rd rung. Check the base with a spirit level in both vertical and horizontal directions and adjust the legs if necessary. Insert 1 standard 5-rung frame on each side of the tower into the lower frames and engage locking pins. Attach Advanced Guard with upper hooks to the inside of the vertical tube on top of the 7th rung and lower latch hooks to the outside of vertical tube below the 5th rung. The Advanced Guard is safe to use once completely locked to the frames. Put Advanced Guard on opposite side of the tower. Standing inside of the tower, fit 2 platforms. Fit the trapdoor platform to the 7th rung with minimum gap between the platforms. Ensure trapdoor opens outwards. Fit the 2nd platform beside the 1st one. Lock the 2 platforms to the frame using the wind lock system. Access to the platform is forbidden unless the Advanced Guard is correctly fitted on the frames. Building a tower above 2 meters working height. Fit 4 outriggers to the base unit. Add your frames and the next set of Instant Advanced Guards. Once your working level is reached, install toe boards to complete the tower. An InstantSpan tower can be built with Advanced Guards up to 8 meters for single-width towers and up to 8 meters outdoors and 12 meters indoors for double-width towers. Always check the instruction manual. Platforms on the 1st level can be moved to the 3rd level on towers 5 meters or higher. The dismantling procedure is also made easy and faster with up to 30% less parts to load and unload. Advanced Guard is an integral part of the structure of the tower, and as such it's not possible to build the tower without them. You simply can't forget them. The advanced installation of the guardrails before the platforms are in place overcomes the major challenge of operators failing to install the safety rails on towers. The Advanced Guard is designed in such a way that it cannot physically be removed by the operator while standing on the platform. Fewer components, 10 to 30% fewer parts depending on the height of the tower. Less handling and increased speed of assembly. Less load, loss, theft or damage. The new Advanced Guard system from Instant takes tower safety to a new level. It's safer, added operator safety. Less accidents, therefore less insurance exposure, therefore less legal risk. It's faster, improved speed of erection, less components, easier to build. It gives better utilization of stock. Working safely at height is always our priority. Our complete product range is manufactured in compliance with national and international technical standards, including EN 1004, the Work at Heights Regulations, ANSI and OSHA. Our ISO 9001 quality accreditation means that we only supply quality products delivered on time and to specification. Instant. Quality and strength you can trust. For further information on the new Instant Advanced Guard system, other Instant products and services, or to contact your local dealer, please visit www.instantupright.com or call 003531 620 9300.